Welcome. If you're using the X app on your Android device and want to turn on the Show Ad pop-up for incoming calls, you're in the right place. I'll guide you step by step on how to activate this feature quickly and easily. First, start by unlocking your phone and going to your phone settings. This is usually found on your home screen or in the app's drawer as a gear icon. Once you're inside settings, scroll down and tap on apps to view a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Next, find and select the X app from this list. This will open the app info page where you can customize various settings related to the app. From here, tap Notifications. This is where you control all notifications coming from the X app. Look for and tap the option labeled Notification Categories. This option lets you manage different types of notifications separately. Now you should see a category called Incoming Calls. Tap on that to access the settings specifically for call-related notifications. Finally, you'll see a toggle for Show Ad pop-up. Simply switch this on to enable pop-up ads when you receive incoming calls through the X app. And that's it. You've successfully turned on the Show Ad pop-up for incoming calls on the X app in your Android phone. This setting can help you stay informed of promotions or ads right when you get a call. Remember, if you want to turn the pop-ups off later, just follow the same steps and toggle the setting off. Thanks for watching.